Hey guys, this is René, welcome back for another video on this channel. Today I want to give a quick market update and talk about this trade here specifically, which was a 2.5k almost profit, which is 5 times the risk on this trade. And this was a trade in Euro Japanese yen. But before we talk about this trade was taken in my account that is also fully verified on my FX book, and I also stream it every day on YouTube, so follow if you do not follow yet. Also, all of the expert advisors that I use in this account, like the Range Breakout expert advisor that also did this specific trade, you can get them for free and use them in accounts with my partner broker. Make sure to check out the information in the description and also the pinned comment below this video. With this trade and with the trading day today, the account now is probably getting another profitable month. The last 2 months were extremely good, and it looks like this year could again be one of the best years ever in this account. But what happened today? Today actually was a crazy day because not only Euro Japanese yen was performing well, we can also see there was a profitable trade in gold and in GBP US dollar, and also the indices are going up at this moment, so there's still 1.6k unrealized profit. So overall, all in all, this is about 4k profit today, which is crazy, and it's bringing the account again close to the all-time highs, which is around 56,000 euro at this point in this account, which would be an overall profit of 86,000 euro because I made a bunch of withdrawals already. But what happened in this specific chart here? So in this chart, I trade a very simple strategy, which is my range breakout strategy, and I trade this every single day. You can see here the last days, whenever there was a breakout, and okay, we don't see the previous ranges, but how the strategy works is that every single day from 4 to 10 in the morning, I record the highest and lowest point in this time period, and then by the end of the range there's a buy stop order at the upper end of the range, a sell stop order at the lower end of the range, and then basically we are just trading the breakout. So in this case here there was a buy trade out, and then there's only one trade per day, so the sell stop order was cancelled at this point, and the stop loss for this trade was at the other side of the range. And here you can see, even though it was going towards the stop loss at this point, it didn't reach it, and then it was going to the direction of this entry, and it was making 780 points roughly, which means with a range size of 150 points, this is at about 4, almost 5 times the risk. And the risk on this trade here is, if I show you my settings, the risk on every trade I take is 500 euro. So this led to this specific trade, which was a crazy profit. And it's actually interesting because it was not the only extremely profitable trade in Euro Japanese yen lately, because I also prepared the long-term performance in this account for Euro Japanese yen, and this is, by the way, not including the trade from today. So by today the strategy should be profitable in this account, but that's not my point here. My point here is that I'm trading this strategy now for not even 1 year, but about 7 months or so. You can see here the first trade was on the 10th of October last year, so quite a while. And for most of the time, actually, the strategy was negative. And also, if we have a look at the hit rate here, we can see the hit rate is extremely low, and still the strategy, including the trade from today, is now profitable. And this teaches us a few things. First of all, the hit rate doesn't matter, but this is, I think, what most traders already know, because profit is always a combination of hit rate and average return. And if the average return, as we see here, is higher than the average loss, then of course you make a profit. But also we see that, especially with strategies like these, breakout strategies, you can have periods, you can have very, very, very long periods where you don't make any profit or you are just losing, and then you will see trades like this, and it's making the performance, it's making up the performance for many months. And this is exactly why it is so important that you're trading these kind of strategies with automated trading programs, and that's exactly what I do here. I'm using the programs here that I already mentioned before, like that you can download on my website, and they do the same thing every single day. And I don't only do this in Euro Japanese yen, I also do this in other charts like in gold. And you can see here today there was a profitable trade, yesterday there was a extremely profitable trade or more profitable trade. And since I do this every single day, I can get consistent execution. I can assure that the execution is always perfect with these programs, and I don't have to worry about trading mistakes or that I miss out a trade. And also, there's one more interesting thing about the trade today. The trade today was only so profitable, not because this move in Euro Japanese yen was crazy. Actually, it was not even 0.5%, but the range was small. And the way I traded it is that I distribute, or I calculate the lot size in a way that I risk 500 euro for every single trade, which means that the trade is small, the chance is extremely high. So on days with small ranges, I usually make the biggest profits, but a small range also means that, of course, on these days you have a smaller hit rate. And for example, we saw this in USD Japanese yen today. Also here the range was tiny, and it would have been another crazy profit, because here at 6 p.m. the price was about 400 points up and the range size was 100 points, so it would also be 2k profit, but it hit the stop loss before multiple times. Actually went to the stop loss level, because that's the risk if you have tiny ranges. So it's not like, you cannot say that tiny ranges are always better or always worse. Actually, on average, they're probably a little bit worse, because you always have a lot of commission on these days also. But as I said, if I have extremely big wins, then usually I had these on days where there were news and or the ranges were a little bit smaller. And also this move here again was a crazy move. This would have been a 10x, but unfortunately the first breakout was buy. But it's not about single days, it's more about consistency. So even though today's trade definitely stands out, it's more about the fact that with these automated trading programs we're trading the same thing every single day, and that's exactly how I was able to get to like 85,000 euro of profit in this account up until this point. So this is a little feedback on today's trading day, a little summary. And I hope you guys also could make some profits. If you're using my programs, then for sure you did, so congrats. And if not, then and if you never use like automated trading programs, then feel free to test mine or create your own. I have a lot of videos on this channel, how to create programs manually by coding, or also lately by using AI agents, which makes it a little bit easier if you don't have coding experience. So feel free to also have a look at these videos. And this was the update from me. I hope I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great time, good trades. Bye.